If you've ever dreamed of cutting slick promos, syncing audio like a pro, you are in the right place. We're jumping straight into the action with a hands-on video training series designed to not only sharpen your editing skills, but also help you understand the concepts you'll need to know to pass the Adobe Certified Professional exam, which is called Digital Video using Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm Tommy Demos, and welcome to Brain Buffet's Adobe Certified Professional Test Prep for Premiere Pro. We've broken everything down into bite-sized lessons, so whether you're learning in class or grinding on your own time, this is more than an editing exercise. It's your chance to tell a meaningful story, sharpen your instincts, and deliver work. Your storytelling, your skills, your hustle are all on full display. Trust your gut, edit with intention, and most importantly, keep us on the edge of our seats.